Hi everyone, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap. Welcome to my channel. I love having you all here. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's free to join, and you're gonna have a lot of fun videos to check out. So we're on now to part 5 of this beautiful tier tray series, and let's get started. Everybody stay safe. Bye for now. So for our first project, we're going to use these wooden planks that I got from the Dollar Tree. They were a great deal. There was like 4 in a pack or so. And these rolls that you're seeing here, they're actually from Paintbrushes, where you just pull the end off and the brush part once it's old, those foam brushes. And we're going to use them for table legs on the circular round wooden plank here from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just using some gel stain that I had bought recently. It's been going a long ways and I'm absolutely loving it and having a lot of fun playing with it, especially for the fall season here. And I'm using a wet rag because I wanted a lighter look. And the reason why I'm building these tables is to serve as a riser in the tier tray that I am putting together. So I'm just getting that all covered, and I do both sides and the edges of the round plank. And I do the same to all the paintbrush sticks. And I was just measuring them out to make sure they were all even and that the table wasn't going to be too wobbly. And you're just going to go ahead and do all 4 sticks. And I did give them a couple of coats because it soaked in really fast. I absolutely love how these turned out. I will definitely be making more of these in the future. And it's a great way to use up those paintbrush sticks that you're finished with. And I'm just going to use some walnut stain on the rectangular wooden plank. And I do go ahead and do the sides and on the bottom too. Yeah, this project would work great in fairy gardens too. I think that would look really adorable. I'll probably be using it when I turn my tier tray into a fairy garden at some point in my life. Now for the purpose of this video, I did use hot glue. It is holding up right now, but I would definitely recommend a wood glue or a stronger glue. I just have something very light sitting on it in my tier tray, and just because I have so many projects on the go right now, I did it that way. But yeah, I will be putting in a better glue so it withstands the test of time a little bit better. But this one turned out so cute. I really love it. And we're almost done here. And we'll move on to the next table while this dries and holds. So same with these wooden logs, I measured them all out and made sure they sat pretty flat. So I did go through the whole bag first to make sure that it wasn't going to be too lopsided or some were cut on an angle, so you don't want that either. You just got to play around with them and see what works for you. And there was no painting the logs on this one for me, so it came together really fast. And then I thought the tables just needed that little extra something something, so I pulled out my doilies and I'm just applying my favorite glue here, and just going to get it all stuck on there. And you could always cover this up too to reuse it for a tier tray montage or whatever you call it. You know, you can cover it up with like a little napkin as a tablecloth or something. So, and this one I'm just adding a little burlap table to it, or a burlap runner on it. And I'm not going to take time to edit out too many bloopers. If there was too many, I would definitely edit, but for the most part, I just honestly don't have that much time in a day. So I'm just making sure this is all even, and that's going to sit right. And don't do it over the workspace. And there you go. I love, love, love how they both turned out. I think they're so awesome. Now for the next one, this is another piece I picked up from the Dollar Tree, so obviously we want to alter this up. So I'm just using some of these different paints here. I got the stain and some metallic. And I do insides, on the sides, in the corners. I try to get every bit of color I can throughout the whole. I think I did the background gold, but all the front I did the wood stain. And it is a little bit time consuming trying to get into all those nooks and crannies. So yeah, all throughout the inside I went in with the gold metallic paint. Not that it made too much of a difference, I was just looking for more of a reflection from the LED light, candle light that's sitting inside. And I'm just putting down a little piece of burlap just to dress it up a bit. But I really wanted to keep it simple. I wanted to keep the message simple because I am feeling very grateful right now. So, and thankful for that. And I just added a couple of flowers. I'm just tucking in the edges here right now. We're almost there. And now the finishing touches. And I love how these projects came together. They're great little risers, and I really like this thankful, and they had other signs also at the Dollar Tree, so look for them. They're really nice, and yeah, really cool. And to tie up your ends here, just for a tip, instead of adding tape, I decided to add hot glue, and it worked out perfectly. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and bye for now. Till the next video.